Hi everyone, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and today we are going to be playing with the foam bubble nail art. Have a próbiowy ten here. So nice and quick way to decorate the nails, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So let's start. Another fun design to play with, and you can see the texture of it and the look really interesting and very easy to do it. Guys, if you try it, hashtag Dorota Palicka on other social medias, I would love to see it, your work as well. So let's start fun. 144. I'm gonna play with some different kind of autumny colors. And what you have to do it is just slap it in. That's at 225. And then maybe just to lighten it up, we are gonna grab some pink, which is 235. And just slap it there. Okay, using a sponge, we are gonna tap it in. So what I'm doing, just tapping it, and you almost get those shell kind of look in there, like those, I cannot pronounce it, turtle shell kind of look within matter of the seconds. Let's cook it. Then on this one, we'll play with some marble. So again, because I wanted it in those autumny colors, we are gonna slap this one in, and then maybe brighten up with some red. Why not? 174. Actually, in yellow will look cool as well. Oh no, I've got too many ideas now in my head. And some pink as well. We've got those three colors and grab them in a kind of messy way. So you've got a marble on your brush. And what I love about it, it looks amazing again in a matter of the seconds. There we are, another marbly one this time. Let's cook it. Next step, we have to apply High Shine No Wipe Top Gel over the entire tip. So put it in, nice and thin layer, but at the same time you have to make sure like it's pretty smoothish. Cure it 60 seconds. Then grab our marble tip and do exactly the same. I think I'm gonna try it in different color as well because I'm very curious how they will turn out. Let's cook this one. It was a bit undercooked. And another tip, we are gonna play maybe with some orange. So 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna try something different. I have no clue yet what, but something different. Again, I need to grab my brown because I like this connection with the brown. And then let's do maybe the pink again. Okay, now using the dotting tool, we are gonna smudge our design into something. So I'm just doing those kind of swirly motion. And then with the brush, so I'm just gonna clean it quickly. I will transfer a tiny bit of the product on the sides. Just so it's kind of more blended. But in the middle, we've got some sort of swirly design. That looks actually, all of them look quite nice, even on their own, to be honest, guys. Okay, let's cook them properly. Okay, that's the first one ready. And we are gonna use Aurora Liquid Chrome. Yes, guys, I got addicted to this chrome, and my head is just screaming to me, do this and do this and do that. So I've got so many different ideas. Look at those. It's amazing on its own even. We don't have to even come to the next level because it looks fab just like that. We have to quickly top coat this one as well. And I love, in a salon, guys, you have no time sometimes to do a crazy, complicated designs. So this is a really nice and easy option. Look over the red. Oh, wow. Like a fire, like a real fire. Rub this in. And I love that we've got those veins showing through it in different color as well. Fantastic. Okay, our next step is to apply the top coat again. The reason why we want to apply the top coat again is we want to protect our chrome, so it's not gonna come off, okay? So we need to apply the top coat to protect our entire design, because this will be a pretty common question like, but are you not top coating at the end? No, not at the end. So we are top coating our design now and everything is protected. Okay, and then same with this one, protect everything. And cook it. And then this one is ready for a chrome. That's so nice on its own as well. And it will look different because the chrome looks different on every single color. That's why I love it even more. It's like a kind of multi-chrome. Then let's wrap this in. Nice and properly. Not that properly that the tip comes off. Okay, you can see it. Absolutely amazing as well. Let's protect it. Again, make sure they are nicely cooked so they're nice and shiny. Okay, that's them ready. So the next step, we have to tidy up this mess and grab some foam. I have made one in a bowl just so it's easier like for the video. We are gonna apply the top coat over it again. Okay, because our design, the texture design is going to be created only in this layer of the top coat. So anything which is on the bottom is 100% protected and is durable. And then grab some foam. Apply this in and stick it inside the lamp. Okay, let it cook. Do the same on this one. So apply the top coat. If you don't want like a rough surface, I do suggest you apply the top coat nice and thin, and you also pick up kind of like a nice and small foam bubbles. So I'm just kind of grabbing them in, place in there, and let's cook it. Another one, top coat in. I cannot wait to show you the final results. This is awesome and fun design to play with it. In a salon, I'm using the eyelash foam bottle because it does make the job absolutely amazing to create this foam. Slap it in and then cook it. Okay, when my tips are cooking, I'm just gonna clean this away and then let's check the first one in. I actually cannot wait. Okay, so that's the first one in. What we have to do it is, after it's cooked, you want to clean it. And what you could do it is use the brush just to scrape it things away. So anything which is sticking out is gonna disappear. See, we're kind of making the surface nice and smooth because none of our clients like it rough surface. I'm gonna place it back in here and then using a buffer, I'm just scratching a tiny bit on the edges to smooth it further. But look at this results, absolutely amazing. Let's place it here. And I love it, the fact how we have done it with the background. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, next one in. That's the red one. It's even nicer. Look at all those designs and the texture in there. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Okay, let's remove the rough bits and pieces. The tips don't attach anymore because they are from the foam. make my glue tack not sticking in. Oh, I love this one. Clean the edges. So nice and smooth. And let's place another one into our mixing palette. Not mixing palette, display palette. Oh wow, this red one is absolutely amazing. Like we've got large vein here of the bubble and then a nice pattern on the side. And then the last one. So that was the one which we have done it with the dotting tool. Looks really pretty too. Let me clean it. So the brush removes all the sticking out parts which are on the tip. And then we just have to touch it up with the buffer to smooth it out. When you do this design on the client, do not apply the top coat too close to the cuticles, just so you're gonna have a really nice and smooth. See, the blue tack doesn't stick in.
It's wet.
It's wet, yeah, it's wet. I'm just gonna do it like this, and then I want to show you all of them in a really zoom in position because they look absolutely amazing. Cameraman, tell me when to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got that nice and pretty autumn design. So many dimensions, really interesting look, and it looks so complicated. Like, how was this done? Now you know. So guys, if you try it, hashtag Dorota Palicka on other social medias. I would love to see your work as well. You could also share the video as well, and all the products we have used today are available on our website. And this liquid chrome is a must-have. Sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.